Hi all, welcome back to Solid Coast. We're going to take a look at logo design today. Just a quick couple of tips that I find help me. Hopefully it will help you when arranging lockups. So with this, we've got these three elements and I want to arrange it like this in a minimal, impactful style, but they're not quite the right sizes at the moment. So a quick drag around should get us to a more suitable kind of arrangement, perhaps a bit like that and a little bit bigger, but it's not quite what I want. So let's look into this with a bit more of a system. So I'm going to press F and then F again and then zoom out. Let's get rid of this one. So first of all, I'm going to take a look at the subword here, design, and what I usually do is let's just bring this down to 50% of the height of the main word. So I reckon it's about there. Let's just duplicate that to see. Okay, perhaps not quite right. Give that a bit more height. And then duplicate again. Yeah, we're pretty much there. So you can do this pixel perfect in your own time, but for the sake of demonstration, this is the kind of height that I'm looking for. And now I want to stretch it to the full length of the main word, Kozu. So I'm going to press F7, that brings the layers up. I've got a properties tab in there. I'm going to go down to tracking and I'm going to take a punt at 250, nearly there. And then if I press Control and R to bring the guides up on the side, I'm going to zoom in and then bring a guide along to the edge of the U. There we go, and just click back onto the design word there and use the tracking to butt that up against the guideline. Nice and flush there. And then let's just check the other side. Are we good? Not quite, so let's just slide that one up. And I reckon a few pixels on the end there should, yeah, we'll take that for now. So press Control, Shift and O, turn the word design into an object, make it easier to handle, get rid of that guide on the left. It's looking a bit better. So I guess if I was doing it by eye, I might be looking for something like that. Wondering how big to make the circle, I'm not too sure. So the way I'd work that out is let's duplicate the what we got, Alt and drag, duplicates the word design, press tab, get my tools back, I'm going to make that yellow and I'm going to duplicate that one more time, bump it up here. So this is going to be our clear space guidelines. So the yellow is where we're going to keep clear space and we can arrange the black elements around it. So let's plonk that there and then the circle can just touch that. And then to help us decide how big the circle is going to be, let's duplicate that design word one more time, press Shift and rotate, zoom out a touch, let's plonk that there. And then for the final time, we're going to duplicate that yellow word design, and then that gives us a space in which we can size our black circle. Nicely up against the guidelines there, and then we'll remove the yellow and see what we're left with. So there we have our minimal logo with good proportions relating to the elements that it's made with. And if we compare that to how we did it with our eyeballs, so the one on the right, I think we've got a clear winner. See ya.